the first round was about health is fun. So that's all serious stuff. And now we're going to party at home. So the contestants are going to make dishes which you can have for parties. So what we are going to look at, as always in every round, what is the taste of the food? Because when it comes to food, that's the most important thing. Then the reason for why they've chosen it for it being a party dish, and the presentation and so on. Our judge, Chef Vikas Seth, who's a Bombay boy, Mumbai boy, who's got Bangalore eating out of his hands. He's got many restaurants in Bangalore, but he also has this very strong, positive point of view on home chefs. So thanks for coming. Any expectations?
First of all, thank you so much for having me. It's a real great platform for anybody to be here. I remember a couple of years back when there used to be professional chefs competition. So I was part of that then. So Kalyan, I'm talking about almost 7-8 years ago. Now the things have changed, and that's home chefs are in big demand. So I'm expecting quite a lot, and I'm sure they're going to blow up. They're going to blow with their best cooking possible. They're going to be so much tasty stuff coming. So I'm looking forward to tasting all that yummy food right now.
I'm going to welcome him and give his medal now.
And now, Aaron.
We are known as the Goan poi, which is the bread which you get in Goa. It's one of my favorites. Okay. So that's how the name came up. And I started an Insta page with the same handle during lockdown. I just started uploading stuff I was preparing at home. So one day I made the dish I'm making right now called the rissois, which is Portuguese inspired, which you get it in Goa quite often, it's like an appetizer. So I've just taken it up a notch and I've added some bacon, jalapenos. I just wanted to give my own flavor to it. And let's see how you guys like it.
Bacon's always many notches.
Oh, looking forward to it, boss. This is going to be a hell lot of bomb in your mouth in the sense, a lot of flavors coming in.
Party food?
Party food on the go.
Hi, my name is Shanti Petiwala. I am a home chef at the brand Riot of Flavors. And I specialize in Konkani food and Bohri food. Today I'm representing the Bohri side of things. That's my husband's side of the family.
And what are you doing today, like in terms of the dish and why you chose that dish?
So Bohris make this winter dish called Keema Beda Lasan or Lasagna. Wow. And it celebrates green garlic. And that's something I've been talking a lot about on Instagram for a very long time.
The Parsis and Gujarati
yes,
have a lot
it's a very Gujarati thing, and that's where the Parsi and the Bohri element come into it. And so today I'm making that in a puff because we have to use the Swiss puff pastry.
Sounds like a party food, surely.
Reshma, woman of many Instagram pages.
Wow.
Hi,
Okay,
Chef.
hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I've done a small course from IHM that was in the initial years just to understand so someone has suggested instead of going to so many cookery classes, why don't you just go to IHM? They have something and the in-house faculty is teaching you everything. I said, yeah, why not, And so I did that, and after that it's just been a journey. I've discovered skills I've just, learned along the way. And it's been 12 years since
Wonderful. 12
I'm a
years.
home chef. What I'm representing at the cook-off is called Vanna Tinuka. It means come eat. So what I have, where I'm using the puffs from Swiss, I have the Kurgi mushrooms on puff canopies.
Okay.
I have mutton roast on Malabari parota. And these are all bite-sized, so they work perfectly as party appetizers. And I have a quail roast as well, which is like a main thing.
Is this the third winner dish?
I think all are the winners as of now. So we'll wait for the tasting and we'll see how you're cooking. All the very best.
Swiss is our gold sponsor.
Okay,
And
good one.
for 2 successive years, they've backed us. And they have a very big range of frozen doughs. And the entire range was offered to them.
Gift.
So they have phyllo sheets, they have puff pastry sheets, kunafa, which is a Lebanese sort of sweet, spring roll sheets, puff paratha, tortillo, and all of that.
a bori keema beda lasan.
So I have the kurgi mushroom on the puffs. I have the mutton roast on the Malabari parota, and I have a quail roast.
So I've made a traditional prawn rissoise, but I've kicked it up a notch. I've used bacon, jalapenos, and prawn stock. And I used the spring roll sheets from Switz. So I stuffed it with the prawns and bacon, and then coated it with egg and crumbs, and fried it to a crisp.
I think she really cooked very well. It was more than one dish which was prepared. I was expecting only one, but you made three, and all three was really, I would say, tasty. And one particular dish, the one with the puff with the mushroom, it was really good. And I felt that becomes more party food from a chef point of view. Then the quail was interesting as well and very, very flavorsome. You know, guys, the quail was top notch. So Shanti, your dish, you know, that dish, as most of you have seen, was not only delicious, but it was also very interesting when she was finishing it. You know, the hot oil going on the egg. What you made was crunchy, crispy, the prawns and the bacon. I think it is quite a, you know, a salty as well, so much fat in that, which is very delicious. It is a real party food because as I said earlier, we would like to, you know, share, we'll break it. You can surely make it smaller. You can also do that. But we are okay at home to, you know, share the good food. You know, that's the beauty of it. So hats off, very nice. Okay, so now we have to have one winner. According to me, all three are winners because participating itself takes a lot of effort, and I know how much effort it takes. And the winner, according to me, is what I said in the beginning, has come to Shanti. You are the winner.